Well, we're on our way to pick up our new car, and we're going to keep it as a surprise what it is, but you'll see it in a second anyway, so we're kind of excited. See you soon.
We're on the train, as you can see, and here's my mom.
Hi.
And
My other news, I started a German language class yesterday, so I've been taking German classes, and I'm going from 9:30 to 1 o'clock every day for 3 weeks, and hopefully I'll learn to be more fluent in speaking German for while I'm here. There's Gary looking all cool, driving our new car.
You know what they say, when in Rome.
Okay, so we just had our first ride in the new car, and Miss Thing fell asleep. Okay, this is our new car that we just got right here. It's our new Mercedes. You want to tell what kind of Mercedes this is?
200 something. Not
Okay.
sure.
It's the 200 and something. It's awesome. It has a smooth ride. Never fell asleep. We're very excited for our new car. Can you tell? Yay! Okay. There we go.
This is the first aid kit.
Oh, sweet.
well, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.